Hello my friends, welcome. This is Market Commentary with Axiory. And yesterday, one of the most popular instruments on the market, so Tesla, published results from the first quarter. Those results were published after the market close, so on the chart we still don't see the reaction. What were the earnings and what were the results and how it can affect the chart? Well, results were disappointing, but not a lot. But they came below the expectations. And the reason why I'm saying they were disappointing, because we already saw a reaction on aftermarket trading. Currently, Tesla shares on after hours trading are trading around -6%. And let's take a look on the chart. So again, you still cannot see the reaction. Here, what is happening, the price is moving sideways inside of the pennant formation and the bigger time frame. That's a beautiful head and shoulder pattern, breakout of the neckline. Then we tested the neckline as a resistance, and that's when this pennant was created. So most probably we're going to have a breakout to the downside from this pennant with a potential target here on this gray area on those lows from December. Another data that was published about today was the inflation from New Zealand, and here we also got a negative surprise, although this negative surprise is in reality a positive one, because everybody's sick and tired of this rising inflation, and inflation in New Zealand on a quarterly basis dropped. I mean, inflation was still higher, but not as much as expected. So we expected a rise of 1.5%. We got 1.2%, which is showing us that the actions from the Reserve Bank of New Zealand are good, are in reality fighting with inflation as the inflation rate is dropping. What does it mean? Well, let me show you the, for example, New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar or New Zealand dollar to Japanese yen. What does it mean? Well, we have a negative reaction, which means that most probably Reserve Bank of New Zealand will not have to raise rates anymore. And this is a negative information for the New Zealand dollar. So New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar, with this negative move, we are probably approaching 50% retracement of this uptrend and the lower line of the flag formation. And on New Zealand dollar to Japanese yen, we broke the lower line of the symmetric triangle pattern of the pennant, and we have a proper long-term sell signal thanks to this lower than expected inflation number from New Zealand. Thanks very much for watching, and I wish you all the best in your trading.